Hello and welcome to another episode of Daily Finance News. We're here to provide you with the latest financial news, market insights, and updates on economic trends. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any important updates. Now, let's dive into today's topic. As one of the world's leading tech giants, Apple Inc. is a company that consistently makes headlines in the finance world. Founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Wozniak, the company has grown exponentially over the years. With its products and services spanning across various segments such as smartphones, personal computers, tablets, wearables, and more. Today, we'll be discussing some of the latest news surrounding Apple, as well as some key factors to keep an eye on in the coming week. In a week filled with news and earnings, the market showed little reaction, with the S&P 500 finishing 0.80% lower. Apple's better-than-expected earnings and a stronger-than-expected NFP report helped support the market. However, not all news was positive. Shopify announced the layoff of approximately 20% of its workforce, to be replaced with AI, and FRC was taken over by the FTC. With several other banks on the brink and numerous earnings reports on the horizon, this upcoming week is shaping up to be an eventful one. Here are 5 things to watch this week. First on our list is the recent news of First Republic Bank being taken over by the FTC, as well as the cancellation of the merger between Toronto Dominion and First Horizon Corp. These events set a trend for potential pressure on the banking sector, particularly for smaller regional banks, as investors may become more cautious. Next up, keep an eye on the Consumer Price Index (CPI) report. This monthly figure can offer insights into whether current interest rates are sufficient to curb inflation. If inflation begins to stall, it could indicate that the Federal Reserve may halt interest rate hikes, which would likely be seen as a bullish move for the markets, especially for banks. On Thursday, watch out for the Producer Price Index (PPI) report. This will reveal any changes in manufacturing prices over the last month, providing a clearer picture of whether price decreases are underway. A drop in PPI could indicate that current interest rates are effectively taming inflation, a positive sign for the market. As always, earnings reports will continue to shape the market landscape. While major companies like Apple and Meta Platforms have already reported, other highly traded names to watch this week include Dish, Under Armour, Disney, and PayPal. Be sure to stay informed on when companies you hold are reporting their earnings. Finally, keep an eye on the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Report, due out on Friday. As a leading indicator, this report can offer valuable insights when combined with other factors to create a well-rounded investment thesis. A strong number could be seen as negative, however, as the Fed's goal is to slow down the market. And high consumer sentiment may require more aggressive measures to achieve this. That's it for today's episode of Daily Finance News. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the